the challenges were on the roles for circuit managers and curriculum specialists, subject advisors, in other words. There was no synergy. When you're going to a school for a visit, that would be monitoring and support. And then you will come back with the report. And some of the contextual factors could include things like recruitment processes. There was no teacher at a school. You had to come back and give the feedback to the circuit manager to intervene. But we were not doing that. And besides, when you go to a school and you collate the report, that was a report that you would come back with, submit every week, and they submit to us, you collate, you submit, but nothing was done. And also, we realized that curriculum management was not done by the departmental heads at the school level. And you had to go there, support, but then you couldn't do the follow up of whether they are doing what the action plan that you left because we were few. But Chiga Imfundo assist us the most because what they did is diagnosing what the challenges are for the departmental heads. And there was a slide that they presented to us where the departmental heads themselves were saying what are their challenges. That assisted us because when we organizing workshops for the departmental heads, we knew exactly where to touch. We scratched where it's itching, if I can say so. And besides, we realized that there were conflicts in schools when departmental heads are trying to discuss their findings when they are checking the work of the teachers. But through Chiga Imfundo, they were capacitated. They now knew that it had to be a professional conversation where they talk nicely to say, this is the gift of feedback. I've seen your work. You are doing great in 1, 2, 3. But if you can improve here and there, that was great. And also, they gave them the instruments to use when they are managing the curriculum. They had a plan, they had a curriculum management, curriculum monitoring tools where they keep the record and they use that for professional conversation with the teacher to say, these are my findings. But if you can improve here and there, even the work for learners, they had to check the work of the learners and not give the feedback because there is no record. But through the instruments that were offered, they were now able to say, these are our findings, and for the learners, improve here and there, like corrections, remedial work, and so on. And also even the learner performance. It was important for the teachers to care and not just to say out of 20 learners, 15 passed, but 5 failed. What are you doing about the 5 that failed? Those are our learners at risk. Those might be the learners that were progressed. So Chiga Imfundo assisted us for schools a lot. Because of Chiga Imfundo, as a district, I'm referring to the district officials, we now stopped working in silos. Because remember, there was a structure that was established, the district leadership team, where there was MENCO members and champions. So there we were discussing and even developed the district plan. And from time to time, we would sit and have the reflection on what we have planned to do. I saw a vast difference because the circuit managers and subject advisors set to design the instruments that we use to monitor and support curriculum in schools. And when we were developing those instruments, we were together, subject advisors and circuit managers, which helped a lot because we find a chance to share good practices as curriculum and them as circuit managers. And I must say, they taught us beautiful skills of communication For instance, the skill of giving feedback, they called it a gift of feedback, where they would call you by name and say, Nobu, I like you when you do 1, 2, 3, but I can be very happy, and you would be great if you can do 1, 2, 3. That was polite, and that brought connection between us as district officials, and that also developed both of us, the person giving the feedback and the person given the feedback. And also the issue of MRR, monitoring, reporting, and responding. It assisted because before we would go for monitoring, we would report, but there was no responding on what we have identified as gaps. So to me, that was great. And the schools improved in curriculum management. When you get to a school, it was far better because departmental heads had confidence to call upon meetings, because they were even workshopped how to conduct a meeting with their teachers. That improved. That itself improved. And also, lastly, the improvement of learning outcomes. We saw it. Schools improved in results, which is great. And we all enjoyed it and we celebrated.